The modern kitchen is no longer just a place to cook. It has evolved into a multifunctional hub where technology, lifestyle, and design converge. As we move toward 2026, minimalist kitchen design continues to dominate contemporary homes, emphasizing clean lines, clutter-free surfaces, and intentional living. At the same time, smart appliances are becoming more refined, discreet, and seamlessly integrated into everyday routines. The true beauty of a minimalist kitchen in 2026 lies not only in what you see, but also in what works quietly behind the scenes. By combining innovation with simplicity, smart appliances are redefining how we experience efficiency, comfort, and elegance in the heart of the home. The evolution of minimalist kitchen technology. Minimalism has always focused on reducing visual noise while maximizing functionality. In earlier years, this meant hiding bulky appliances behind cabinet panels or limiting decorative details. However, technology in 2026 is reshaping that concept. Smart appliances are now designed with sleek finishes, handleless doors, and integrated controls that align perfectly with minimalist aesthetics. Instead of dominating the room, modern appliances blend into cabinetry or appear as subtle design features. Touch panels replace mechanical buttons, and voice control eliminates the need for visible switches. The result is a kitchen that looks simple on the outside yet operates with advanced intelligence on the inside. This evolution reflects a broader lifestyle shift. Homeowners increasingly value efficiency, sustainability, and time-saving solutions. A minimalist kitchen is no longer just visually clean, it is digitally streamlined as well. Smart refrigerators with seamless integration. The refrigerator remains one of the most essential kitchen appliances, and in 2026 it has become smarter and more refined than ever. Modern smart refrigerators are designed to sit flush with cabinetry, creating a smooth, uninterrupted wall surface. Panel-ready models allow the appliance to visually disappear, reinforcing the minimalist principle of visual harmony. Beyond aesthetics, these refrigerators offer intelligent inventory management. Built-in cameras and internal sensors help track food freshness, suggest recipes, and notify homeowners when items are running low. Temperature zones can be customized digitally, reducing food waste and improving energy efficiency. Many models now connect to mobile devices, allowing remote monitoring and adjustment. For a minimalist homeowner, this means fewer sticky notes, fewer forgotten groceries, and a more organized lifestyle overall. Induction cooktops for clean and efficient cooking. One of the most transformative additions to minimalist kitchens is the smart induction cooktop. Unlike traditional gas or electric stoves, induction surfaces are flat, smooth, and easy to clean. When not in use, they resemble sleek black glass panels rather than cooking equipment. In 2026, induction technology has advanced to include automatic pan detection, temperature precision, and safety shutoff features. Some models even sync with smart cookware to maintain exact cooking temperatures. This eliminates guesswork while maintaining a refined appearance. Because induction cooktops generate heat directly within the cookware, they are more energy efficient and safer, aligning perfectly with the minimalist goal of thoughtful and responsible living. Their low-profile design also allows for creative kitchen layouts, including hidden cooktops beneath countertop surfaces that reveal themselves only when activated. Built-in smart ovens with multifunction capabilities. Minimalist design favors fewer appliances that perform multiple tasks. Smart ovens in 2026 reflect this philosophy by combining baking, roasting, steaming, air frying, and convection features into one streamlined unit. These ovens are typically built into tall cabinetry, maintaining a clean and balanced visual structure. Touchscreen displays are subtle and often disappear when not in use. Many models feature guided cooking programs that automatically adjust time and temperature based on the selected dish. Voice control and remote monitoring add another layer of convenience. A homeowner can preheat the oven while commuting or receive notifications when a meal is ready. This level of automation supports a calm and organized cooking experience, allowing design and technology to work in harmony. Minimalist dishwashers that work quietly. Noise disrupts the peaceful atmosphere that minimalist homes strive to achieve. In response, smart dishwashers in 2026 are engineered for ultra-quiet performance. Hidden control panels maintain a smooth exterior, and panel-ready doors allow the dishwasher to blend seamlessly with surrounding cabinets. Advanced water sensors detect load size and soil levels, adjusting water and energy usage accordingly. Some models offer app-based scheduling, enabling users to run cycles during off-peak energy hours. Interior lighting and adjustable racks improve usability without compromising the clean exterior appearance. The emphasis is on quiet efficiency. A dishwasher should support the lifestyle of the homeowner without drawing attention to itself. Smart faucets and water systems. In a minimalist kitchen, even small details matter. Smart faucets have become increasingly popular due to their practicality and sleek design. Motion sensors allow users to turn water on and off without touching handles, promoting hygiene and reducing water waste. Digital temperature displays and customizable presets provide greater control. Some advanced water systems now filter and monitor water quality in real time, displaying usage statistics through connected apps. These innovations reduce clutter around the sink area and eliminate the need for separate filtration devices on countertops. The result is a cleaner visual environment and a more sustainable household routine. Integrated storage and smart organization. Technology in 2026 extends beyond traditional appliances. Smart storage systems are becoming integral to minimalist kitchen design. Motorized drawers open with a light touch, while internal lighting activates automatically when cabinets are accessed. Some storage units incorporate inventory tracking, alerting homeowners when pantry items need replenishing. Refrigerated drawers for beverages or fresh produce add flexibility without requiring additional standalone appliances. By integrating organization into the design, homeowners maintain clear countertops and uninterrupted surfaces. Everything has its designated place, reinforcing the principles of order and simplicity. Energy efficiency and sustainability. Sustainability is a defining feature of smart appliances in 2026. Energy-efficient compressors, adaptive cooling systems, and intelligent power management reduce environmental impact. Many appliances now provide detailed energy usage reports, empowering homeowners to make informed decisions. Solar compatibility and smart grid integration are also gaining popularity. Appliances can adjust operation times to align with renewable energy availability, lowering overall consumption. Minimalism naturally aligns with sustainability. By choosing durable, multifunctional appliances that consume less energy, homeowners invest in long-term value while minimizing waste. Voice and AI integration for a hands-free experience. Artificial intelligence plays a significant role in the future of kitchen design.